Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two text-to-speech generator platform, which is DupDub and Hume AI. So let's get started. DupDub delivers a powerful and versatile text-to-speech platform with hundreds of voice across multiple languages, voice cloning, AI dubbing, and tools for editing audios and video content all in one place. It's built for creators, editors, and marketers who want control, customization, and scalability in their voice generation workflow. Hume AI, on the other hand, takes a different path by focusing intensively on emotional, expressive text-to-speech, using advanced affective computing to generate speech that doesn't just sound human, it feels human, adapting to tone, mood, and context in real time. While dubbing is a broader in features and content production tools, Hume AI outperform it in raw emotional realism and voice depth. DupDub voice are natural and customizable, but they can still sound scripted in deeply emotional or conversational content. And here's a very conclusion. Hume AI wins for lifelike, emotional, intelligent voiceover, while DupDub is better choice for multi-language support, editing tools, and all-in-one media production. And that's it. Hope you find the review a little bit more helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more. Thanks.